Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Sky Lounge lighting into your 2018 to 24 BMW X5, X6, and X7. Some vehicles didn't come with this from the factory, so it's going to be a nice addition to this BMW. If you've got an X5, X6, or X7 that does not have the Sky Lounge, you can use this product to add these LEDs, and you can change the colors through the iDrive system, be like your factory LEDs, and it'll look like a factory finish install. So let's go ahead and check out what all it comes with. Let's open this up, and it says here X5, X6, X7, and this is the ambient light. It was packaged a little nicer right when I got it from shipping, but I already checked it all out just to see what all it came with. So you can see here, it comes with the two LED strips. In here you can see that it says to test out the lights. So make sure you test these out, plugging them in to make sure they all work before you route them and install them. This black stripping stays on there. I think that's to kind of hide it. We will check it out and make sure we don't need to take it off, but I saw online this stays there. And then you have your extension wires. This is what's going to get routed from here over to here, down your A-pillar, and then mount it up under the dash. And this is your guide tool. This is going to help you feed the wires through some of the lining. We have a splitter, and then this is going to be the little adapter to connect the splitter to the end of the wire harness. Came with some double-sided tape, not sure if we're going to be using that, and a little pry tool. So let's go ahead and lower this compartment down here so we can test out the lights. Undo these two little locks here, and it should come down. Then it'll come forward a little bit. Right here is the light you're going to unplug. And then you will take this splitter cable and you'll plug it into this little box right here. And then this will go up to the extension cable up into the light. And you'll want to test them both out. And just like that, I've got the blue on. And that is a nice color blue. So yes, leave the black tape on there. That'll keep it nice and covered and hidden. So let's check the other one out. Perfect. Works nicely. So now we can route all of our wires. Again, this is going to route from right here. We're going to have to feed it down to here, and then you can actually pry this out a little bit. Be careful, there are airbags in here, so don't pry much. It'll come down here. This piece can actually get pried out a little bit too. And then it'll just come up under here and wire right into there. Very easy, simple install. So the next step from the inside of the car is you're going to be using this tool that it came with to feed this line under the headliner, and you're going to go straight forward. So you can pull down a little bit on here. Be careful when you pull down it might bend it a little bit. It doesn't snap, it just kind of bends a little bit. So you take your little pry tool. I've got this so it's curved going up and up under this plastic here, and just slowly feed it in. And then you can pry back a little bit right here. And then it slowly makes its way out. And then now you're going to take this extension wire, make sure you plug in the right end, because you're going to tape it to here to pull it through. This is the end of the LED strip that's going to be up top. So make sure it plugs into there. We'll tape it to here so we can pull it through. I'm gonna pry on here a little bit and gently pull it up through. Pull this down a little bit, pull it up. You can gently feed this wire through. You'll use the same tool for the other side. So now that we're here, we can route our LED strip on this side. So I'm going to plug in this wire so we can make sure the LED is facing the correct direction. You just go through and make sure it's all even everywhere. And just like that, one side LED is installed. So then you'll come back here, we can push this excess wire forward. You got the wires tucked in there. So now we need to move this aside. I'll have to tuck it up under here. And then once you're to here, then you need to start to tuck the wires in here. And then under here, this part will pry forward a little bit. Now you need to retuck your seal. Now your wiring is up underneath, and this side is done. Once you are done with this side, you will repeat the same steps for the other side. You'll have to route it again and go down there again, down to the floorboard. Make sure you test out the lights before installing them. And just like that, it is fully installed. Got it on both sides. And yes, it looks nice. Looks like a very factory finish. The only thing that this BMW is missing is from the factory, if you had the Sky Lounge, the glass would have little etching markings on it and the whole glass would reflect. This won't do it like that, but it is still a very good look. So let's go through the system and we'll change the colors and see how it looks. So we've got the white, and on the camera it looks purple, but in person it is white. Blue, green, lilac, and then the bronze. Nice and even lighting. Let's change the color around and see how it looks from the back. The bronze and white, orange and white, white, the blue and white. Just looks good. Green, lilac and white. See if the brightness adjusts. So the brightness will also adjust. Open the glass. Overall, I'd say I'm very impressed with these lights. They definitely add a good look to the BMW. Kind of hard to tell, but the whole back seat is a little bit brighter now. So thanks for watching this video, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will put a link to this product in the video description, and I'm not associated with this product, so keep that in mind. Also, this video is for entertainment purposes, so if you follow these instructions, do that at your own risk. And again, thanks for watching. Next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install some M1 and M2 switches onto your BMW X5. What this will do will cycle through the different modes. So clicking the M2 will, for instance, bring it from sport to comfort, comfort to eco, eco to adaptive. And then going the M1 will go the other way. So that will be the next thing we're installing onto this BMW, and that will be the next video. So stay tuned for that.